Hello, my name is Sasha Chiltukin. I'm Technology Director of Business Development at Aprenda. Today I will tell you about new capabilities of the Aprenda platform that it gains from the integration with Cisco Metapod. While most of the services that are provisioned by the platform are for the use of developers, there are some new modules that benefit platform operators. For example, the new Autoscaler module. The Autoscaler module allows platform operators to configure the system in such a way that it will automatically scale up or down depending on the load. The way it works is that there is an external service that runs and constantly monitors the utilization of different types of nodes on the platform. It monitors Windows node utilization to spin up a new Windows machine, or for that matter, spin it down. There's also a special monitor that looks at Linux workloads. The operators can configure several parameters that determine when to create new Windows or Linux machines and attach them to the platform, or when to get rid of them. The flexibility allows the organization to use resources efficiently and saves a lot of time to platform operators when they need to add capacity to the platform. Here are the couple of levers that platform operators have at their disposal. They can determine the percent of capacity on Windows machines or Linux machine, at which point the platform needs to create additional virtual machines and add them to the pool. There are also configuration settings that determine when certain machines that do not have any load can be safely removed from the pool, freeing up the space and effectively reducing the operational cost. Platform operators have also manual ability to invoke the service, which I will do in this demonstration. I will change the threshold at which the service creates new virtual machines. Right now it's set at 30%, which means that if there's 30% capacity left, it's a time to spin up new resources. I will change that to 70%, which is not realistic, but I need to trigger the service to demonstrate this capability, and I know that the platform currently has 66% remaining, which is less than 70. I'll save that, and I can test the capability. The platform knows which name to assign to the new instance. This is what the operator of the platform will also see pre-populated for convenience. The system keeps track of names of the new instances created on the fly, and it does it so that it can remove it when the extra capacity is no longer needed. Hit the test add-on button to simulate the scaling out event, and in a number of seconds the new virtual machine is created and the platform starts preparing it so that the machine can be added to the resource pool. Let's close this and let's go to the Horizon dashboard where we have all the machines that contribute to the platform with either core services or the resource pool. We need to refresh the screen to see the new box appear. And here it is. It's AppWS07, the Windows web server. And at this time, the necessary scripts are being run to prepare the node to be added to the platform. In the same fashion, the platform can be configured to remove instances when the load on the guest applications reduces. Typically, the operators will set this at 95 or 90% of remaining utilization, which means that system is running at 5 or 10% when it can safely wind down unused virtual machines. To simulate this event, I reduced the threshold to 50% because the system is running at about 66% right now, which should be enough to trigger this event and remove the server that we just created for demonstration purposes. We don't need any parameters to remove the unused virtual machines because the system keeps track of the order and the names of the machines that can be removed from the pool safely. We simulate the removal right now with the press of a button, and in less than a minute The request is fulfilled. When we go back to the Metapod Horizon dashboard and when we refresh it, the app WSO7 should no longer be there.